Hey everyone, the 8BitDo Lite SE 2.4G wireless gaming controller is a well-crafted addition to any gaming setup, providing a blend of versatility and ease of use that enhances the overall gaming experience. Developed with compatibility in mind, it connects seamlessly to Xbox One, Xbox Series X, Xbox Series S, and Windows 10 or 11 via 2.4G adapter, allowing for smooth, responsive gameplay across both console and PC platforms. At a price of $59, available exclusively on Geek Wills, the 8BitDo Lite SE is a compelling choice, especially for gamers seeking a controller that prioritizes comfort and accessibility. The controller is developed with lower resistance buttons and highly sensitive joysticks, which are particularly beneficial for individuals with limited mobility. This thoughtful approach to appearance not only enhances adaptability, but also encourages longer gaming sessions by reducing the strain typically associated with traditional controllers. The controller's layout is intelligently developed to ensure that all buttons, including the often tricky LS and RS buttons, are easily accessible. This ergonomic appearance is complemented by a non-slip silicone mat on the bottom of the controller, which provides added stability and control, particularly during extended gaming marathons. One of the highlights of the 8BitDo Lite SE is its compatibility with the 8BitDo Ultimate software. This software allows users to dive into a world of customization, enabling them to modify stick sensitivity, remap buttons, and even update the controller's firmware. This level of customization ensures that the Lite SE can be tailored to meet the specific needs and preferences of individual gamers, making it a highly flexible tool. A standout feature of the Lite SE is its super buttons, large customizable keys that allow for quick and easy function mapping without the need for software. This feature is particularly useful for making on-the-fly adjustments and executing in-game actions with precision, adding a layer of convenience that many gamers will appreciate. In terms of appearance, the 8BitDo Lite SE is both compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle during long gaming sessions. The super button measures 75 by 75 by 33 mm and weighs 140 grams, while the controller itself measures 145 by 78 by 30 mm and weighs 160 grams. Its portability and ergonomic appearance make it an excellent choice for gamers who value comfort and ease of use. For connectivity, the Lite SE includes a 3.5mm audio jack supporting standard CTI-8 connectors, alongside 2.4G wireless connectivity for Xbox and Windows, and a wired option for both platforms. This ensures that the controller can easily integrate into a variety of gaming setups, providing flexibility in how you play. Powered by a 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, the Lite SE offers up to 20 hours of gameplay on a single charge, with a charging time of about 4 hours. This long battery life, combined with the controller's other innovative features, makes the 8BitDo Lite SE a reliable and powerful tool for enhancing any gaming experience. Overall, the 8BitDo Lite SE 2.4G wireless gaming controller is a strong contender in the gaming accessory market. Its combination of innovation, customization options, and accessibility features makes it a worthy investment for both casual gamers and those who need a more accessible controller. While it might not be the cheapest option available, its thoughtful appearance and robust feature set justify the price, offering excellent value for gamers looking to elevate their gaming experience. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new controller? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.